Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, it is Monday and it is the first Monday of August, the 8th month of the year. Yes, the 8th month of the year. And it is Happy August. Happy August to you all and to all my family and friends who are having anniversary today. Happy anniversary, happy birthday this month. Yes, it is a very special month. It is an extra special month. It is an extra special month for my husband and I as we celebrated, or we are celebrating our 10th anniversary. Happy anniversary to my darling husband. Hitherto as the Lord helped us. Check out my personal channel, Tanisha Lawrence, for our anniversary celebration updates. And yes, we will do it for the whole month. So thank you for all your support, your encouragement, your well wishes. Thank you for standing with us with our ministry, Monday Medz. And yes, it is time for us to take our ministry to another level. So yes, I am your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. And today we will continue talking about sprouting. Sprouting 101. Sprouting 101. Yes, and today we will be sharing one of our favorites. When we talk about what we're sharing each week, much thought goes into it. And so for our anniversary week celebration, what better herb or plant we would talk about than Echinacea? What better herb? So Echinacea is our favorite. It is one of our favorites that have kept us through many colds and flu seasons. And so, yes, we will be sharing Sprouting 101 on how to sprout Echinacea. How to sprout Echinacea. And Echinacea. Echinacea is a plant, well-known plant, and it's listed as a herb, and it's usually from Northern America or North America, used by the Indians. So the word Echinacea, it's more of an Indian origin or Red Indian origin. And so thanks to Sow Right Seeds, we have these seeds that we have sprouted, and we'll definitely be talking more and showing you more on how to sprout Echinacea. So as you see, Echinacea, it's a purple, it's more pinkish purple cone flower, and that's how it is spelled, Echinacea. It is from the daisy family, like marigold and all those other plants, flowers. So you can actually use it as a flower to beautify your garden, and also you can use it for medicinal properties. And so we will keep watching as we will talk more on, or show you more on how you can sprout and get more Echinacea. So these are the Echinacea and the Echinacea, cilantro, and lime basil. And we actually wet them. You want to moisten the surface before you actually take them out. So we're actually going to, this is the Echinacea, we're going to transplant it. These Echinacea suckers are about 2 to 3 weeks old. Here we are softening the soil, preparing the soil to transplant them. The roots are also great in medicinal purposes and are used as tinctures along with the leaves and the seeds or the blooms from the flower. The leaves have a sandy, grainy texture. Here you can see Some insects have already started eating them. Yes, they are non-GMO and they are all organic. When cutting them, ensure you cut the outer leaves first. Echinacea is also known to boost the immune system and to also fight off colds and flus and infections such as STIs and yeast, vaginal yeast infections. It is also known to boost mental health. Some drawbacks, however, like with all things good, you have to do it in moderation. High doses of echinacea may cause dizziness, nausea, headaches, fevers, insomnia, along with numbness in the tongue or even sore throat. So be sure to be moderate even in that which is good. I hope you enjoyed the Sprouting 101 on Echinacea, and many of you have seen this bottle before. Yes, we have promoted it numerous times on Monday Meds for the past 2-3 years. And yes, Echinacea, it's a herb. Like we said, it's great for immune health, immune system. And as researching for this series today, Echinacea has many benefits, some of which you've heard before, and one of those benefits, it's great for cancer, fighting cancer. It's also great for the skin. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is great to enhance your skin, and it's also wonderful for acne and other, especially other skin irritations like eczema and other skin disorders. And this is one form of Echinacea. So this is the capsule form, and this one, notice this one is the vegetarian capsule. You got to make sure that if you don't eat meat or you don't eat pork or pig, you got to make sure that you see vegetarian capsule on the bottle, because some of the capsules are made from gelatin, which is sometimes derived from the hoof of a pig or the hoof of a cow. And so yes, the leaves are dried and powderized and put into capsules. Also use the root, and you can use the flower. Yes, that purple, pinkish purple flower as we showed you on the packet. Yeah, so we are still waiting for our Echinacea to bloom. However, we will be enjoying the leaves. You can use it as a decoction, so you can boil it or you can steep it in hot water and drink it as a tea. Or you can also blend it. You can be creative. And I'm thinking if it's a herb, you can also cook with it. And so we'll be enjoying a lot of the uses of our Echinacea. Here we boiled 4 leaves in 2 cups of water for 5 minutes and let it rest for 30 minutes. As we wrap up today, I pray that you will use Echinacea and may it bring healing to you, your family, and also our nation. I pray you have a wonderful week, everyone, and God be with you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.